Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, which you can obviously see from the title, I'm going to be showing you how I pin curl my hair. I do have a previous video of this, but this will be just a more like up-to-date, in-depth kind of one, you feel me? I'm not a hairdresser. This is something I just taught myself to do a few years ago, and I just find it the best way to hold a curl in my hair and the easiest. For anybody that's going to ask below, yes, I do have extensions in my hair. This is not all my own real hair. I have a full video on my extensions, the brand, the style. The colour has changed. That's the only thing I got new hair in, so it's just a different colour. But usually I do sleep with the curls in my hair, and because it's not an actual curler, it's just my own hair, I don't find it like uncomfortable or anything. If I know I'll be going out or something, I'll pin curl my hair the night before, sleep with it and take it out the next day. In this case I'm not. I'm just going to be leaving it in for a few hours because I don't want to leave it in for about 26 hours. So we're just going to leave it in for a few hours. It'll still give us the same effect. I just find sleeping on it holds it for the longest, if you feel me. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to move on. The tool that I use to curl my hair is the InStyler. So Connor got this for me 2 years ago, I think. All the girls that I worked with in England had one, and I was like, hey, I want one too. So my hair is just freshly washed. I'm just out of the shower, hence all of this. So we're just gonna jump straight into things. Okay, so I just have my little, oh, no nails. I'm sorry. Shit happens. So I'm just gonna clip half my hair up. Oh, clip it on top. So I'm going to show you a few that I do on the bottom, and then I'll do a few on top, and then I'll speed the rest of it up, just so we're not here all day watching me curl my hair, because that's not entertaining. To secure my curls, I just use the little clips. So I like to start from the back. So I'm going to take a chunk of hair about this big, and then I'm going to take my InStyler. With the InStyler, you can change which way it rotates. So if you want the curl to curl away from your face, you just double click it and it'll change the way it rotates. So I want mine to go away from my face. So I keep the part with the brushes on it close to me and the like hot iron away. So I'm going to take the hair, I'm going to wrap it around, and I hold it for about 30 seconds. So then when 30 seconds is up, I'm just going to take the hair and put it in my hand. So I just shake it off the barrel. I like to hold it in my hand for a few seconds just to kind of let it cool. So I just let it sit there, give it a little shake for a few seconds. I'm going to take one of my clips. So then once the curl, you have a curl like this. I'll straighten it out a little bit. I'll take one hand with two fingers and I'll just lean it. This is so hard to explain. I'll just lean it on the end of the curl, and then I'll slowly just start to wrap my fingers around it. Can you see? And then I'll just pop it. So it's just popped to the back of my head. And then I'll take my clip and secure it to my head. So that's basically the method that I do all over my head. So I take a chunk of hair. I'm going to wrap the hair around the InStyler. I like to hold the end of it, around the barrel so it still curls all of it. Then I'll curl it. Then I let the curl fall into my hand, just to let it cool for a sec. So that's what you'll end up with. And then I'm going to take the curl, place my fingers on the end, wrap the curl around my finger, place it on my head, and clip it. Like that. Some of the bits will fall out because they're just shorter, but sure, hey. And yeah, I'm basically just going to do that the whole way around the bottom of my head. Then I'll show you a few that I do Oh, someone's at my door. That was just the postman. Basically, I'm just going to do this around the whole bottom of my head, and then I will be back to you in a few minutes. So now when I'm looking like somebody from Star Wars, I'm going to move on to the top. So depending on where I want to part it, today we'll do it a little bit over here. And then I'll just stick my hands through the back just to make sure there's an even amount of hair on each side. I look crazy. So then I'm going to take this half, give it a twist. And just clip it there like that, just so it's not in my way. And we're going to move on to this side. Again, I'm going to start at the back. I find that easier. So I'm going to take a chunk of hair from the back. Right, my camera overheated and turned off, so I just did all the curls on the back. And I left the front bits just because I want to show you what I do with them. So lastly, I'm going to show you up close again how I do it. So again, I'm just making sure that it's spinning the right way. So I'm going to wrap the hair. So you can see when I wrap it, I push the hair back just to make sure that I fit it all. And then I'm going to hold it for about 30 seconds. Then after 30, I'm gonna just shake it off into my hand and just let it sit there for a few seconds. And I'm gonna get a clip. So it'd be fine to leave like that, of course. I just like to set them while they're still kind of hot, just to make sure they last as long as they can. So then I'm gonna take the curl. I like to run my fingers through it a little bit just to make sure I'm not like wrapping a big knot into it or anything. And then just wrap it up. Oh, I was reaching for a clip. And then, Jesus, that's a hard clip. Like that. And then lastly, for the front of my hair, I'll take the InStyler again. Tuck in back there. I'll take the InStyler again and I'll have the barrel rolling backwards. So then when I take the rollers out of my hair, it's going to sweep this way and not like into my face. So I'll do it like this, and I'll just do this for about 15-20 seconds. So you can see if I was to clip that with a regular clip, it would be really tight. So I'm just going to take one of the little Velcro rollers. I think these are just some pennies. And I just like to wrap them around the Velcro roller away from my face. And I just give it a little wiggle so it sticks to my hair. And then just the exact same on the other side. Like so. And now we're looking like Miss Brown's boys. Lastly, I'm just going to take a bit of hairspray. This is Connor's and he's going to kill me when he finds out I'm using it. It's Aveda. I don't know. It's really expensive apparently, but thanks, Connor. So I'll just take any hairspray. It smells like a man. It's horrible. Bob's your uncle. She's not perfect, but like I said, I'm not a hairdresser. This is just what I found good for me to hold my curls. So the time is currently, the time is 1:48 in the afternoon. So I have some work to do, and I will check back in like 3 hours, maybe 3 or 4 hours. I'm going to take the curls out and I'll show you what they look like. So see you then. Right, so it's a lot of hours later. It's now 8:03 and I can't remember what time I showed you the last time. So I've look in with the hair dryer. Connor! But yeah, I had to do some work and I did my makeup. We're going out tonight. I didn't do the tan on my hands yet, so it will all match eventually, I promise you. So they've been in for, I think I showed you 2 o'clock the last time. Yeah, so they've been in for about 6 hours. So I'm just going to start taking all the pins out. I'm not going to brush them through or anything yet. I'm just going to take all the clips out and then I'll show you. That is what it looks like after I take all the pins out. So they've been set for like 6 hours, so you can see they're really ringlety and I don't like that. Yeah, all I do now is just take a brush. This is my platinum brush for my extensions. And I like to brush them out. They will drop as well. They're not going to be like as ringlety. So I like them more like, see that when you brush them through and they like stay together? Yeah, I don't like my hair to be too like set. I don't like to put like product or anything in it after. Whatever way it falls, I'll just leave it. So I'll more or less just leave it like that. Like so. So if you found this helpful, let me know down below. If you have the InStyler and you do this with your hair, let me know as well. Please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed too. And I hope I answered people's questions on how I get this hair. So this is what I've been doing for years. Like I said earlier, normally I will sleep on it, but if there is days like tonight where I am going out and I just want the curl to last, this is what I'll do. And yeah, that's more or less it. Let me know down below if you have any other questions about anything, or if you want to see anything, if you want to see how I did this makeup too. Let me know and I will see you all in my next video.